In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account on MetaTrader 4. Now, the first thing you have to do when you open MetaTrader 4, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and then from here you want to click on Open an Account. When you do this here, you want to select MetaQuotes Demo, which should be on here by default, so simply click on it and click on Next. In here you have three options, so you want to click on New Demo Account, which is going to allow you to open a new demo account inside MT4. Now click on Next, and here you'll have to put in your name, your email, and then your phone number, so the country code together with your phone number, the account type as well, so you have Forex USD, Advanced, Forex Euro, etc. There's a bunch of different ones, and then you have to deposit. Of course, you have to select how much of a deposit you want. You could do whatever number you want, and then just click on the leverage and select your leverage as well. You'll have to basically agree to these terms down here at the bottom and click on Next. Now, whenever you do this, your account is going to be created. Click on the Finish button, and you've successfully opened a demo account on MetaTrader 4 as indicated here in the top left. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.